you need a car smart box. Check it out. So we're in this, we're gonna go ahead and get this set up here. It's multifunctional wireless vehicle adapter. Let's go ahead and get it done. It will connect your phone to the AI box to make a Bluetooth connection here. So I love that factor, so I don't have to have it plugged in, and you know how these plugs work from time to time, given problems. So let's go ahead and open it up and get it going. All right, so pretty neat. So what we're gonna do, let's go ahead and open up each piece. This is the little box that you have. If I can get it out of the plastic. Okay, that's gonna be plugging in, and then let's look at our directions. So you have the AI box and the package contents. All right, so using CarPlay feature, what you're gonna do is you're going to search for the Bluetooth device on it, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna stream Bluetooth from your device to this device, and this device is gonna go to there, which is super cool. So we're gonna pair it all and make it happen. So let's go ahead and get this plugged in. They do give you 2 different cords, USB, USB-C. Okay, and plugging it in right now. Okay, we got power popping on already, so we're gonna be good to go. All right, so with that, we are going to CarPlay let your iPhone in the way allow, so you want to continue. Okay, agree. Now we're gonna get on the phone here, and you can see it pop up on the screen. So we're gonna find it on Bluetooth, and we are gonna look for AI box. It's gonna pop up really nice and easy. So the AI box is popping up from a pair perspective, so it will prompt a window. And we're gonna hit pair, and I don't need that. There it is popping up right here. You can see my phone pop up, and now we're gonna hit connect. And there you have it, Bluetooth engaged. Loving it. So everything comes nice and easy. This does support HDMI input and output, which is super cool. So you can actually run this to some different screens. You can run a stick to it and everything. And now all I have to do is I'm gonna tuck this little guy in here. And for my phone, if I go on and I want to address it, I can do that however I want to. Again, older vehicle, it's not something that has this wirelessly enabled, but now we are wirelessly enabled, so when I get in, it's gonna go ahead and engage really easily. Guys, this thing's super awesome. You definitely gotta check it out.